Students, I have another weldment for you today. This is your corner fillet weld. You're going to take two pieces of metal, the quarter inch and a quarter by quarter inch, and you're going to weld them, tack them together on the inside corner to inside corner, so that when you put them together, they need to be at 90 degrees as such. Okay, 90 degrees as such. Okay, so you're going to take this inside corner here and tack it to this inside corner so that you've got a little groove right here, and it will look, get my big fat fingers out of the way, it will look as such. Okay, let me tack it together so we can see it. Okay, so you're going to get your electrode ready. Okay, probably the easiest way to tack this is going to be to get another piece of quarter inch metal and set it underneath there so you've got your spacing right, and then you want to tack it on the inside, and I'll show you here in just a minute as soon as I get done tacking. Okay, you're going to want to tack it on the inside of the metal here as such. Well, let me break off the end of this here. This will kind of give you the correct spacing. All right. So I'm tacking it right on the inside here. Right. I'm going to turn it around. Bring it together. Make sure the corners meet. So when you have it tacked, it should be looking like this. Okay? It should be looking like this. All right? The object of this weldment is to take your 3/32 and to fill this up. Okay? So you're going to have to weld very slow, very methodical to fill this up. All right? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The trick is when you get to the end, it's going to be heating up, so you're going to need to move just a little bit faster than you did when you started. Now, the trick is to fill that up without getting a lot of undercut and without completely going over the top. Woo, that's hot, 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 hot. Good, twist it around there where you can see. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Very slow, very methodical. Okay, you want it filled up as close as you can to the top. This is like doing a cover pass on your plate. You want it as close to the top as you can without undercut or without underfill. All right, consistency, consistency, consistency. All right, one pass is all you need to make on this one, but I'm going to be judging this one very critically, very harshly, because now you should be laying down several passes, and so you should be able to lay this one down with no trouble at all. All right, that's it. This is Clark. I'll see you in the booth. I'm out.